What's the meaning of Asia Minor? Asia Minor. Asia Minor.
Asia Minor. Asia Minor. Asia Minor is a geographical region that encompasses the majority of modern-day Turkey. The term Asia Minor was originally coined by the ancient Greeks, who used it to describe the Anatolian Peninsula. Today, Asia Minor is a culturally and linguistically diverse region that boasts a rich history. Throughout the centuries, it has been the site of numerous conflicts and has been ruled by a variety of different empires and powers. Despite its tumultuous past, Asia Minor remains an important center for trade, commerce, and tourism in the modern era.